Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Nissan Leaf versus the Chevrolet Bolt EV. Both are popular electric vehicles, but they offer different strengths. Let's start by looking at their driving range. The Nissan Leaf, particularly the S Plus trim, can achieve an impressive estimated range of up to 303 miles on a full charge. In contrast, the Chevrolet Bolt EV offers a solid estimated range of 255 miles. Your choice here depends heavily on your typical commute and travel habits. Next, let's consider performance and charging capabilities. The Nissan Leaf SV Plus can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 6.8 seconds, offering a responsive drive. The Chevrolet Bolt EV also delivers brisk acceleration, reaching 60 miles per hour from a standstill in under 7 seconds. When it comes to charging, both models are equipped with DC fast charging, allowing for efficient power replenishment on the go, though speeds can vary. Moving inside, both vehicles prioritize comfort and technology. The Nissan Leaf boasts a redesigned interior, featuring a large 14.3-inch multi-function information display for navigation and entertainment. The Chevrolet Bolt EV provides a spacious cabin with an 11.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, integrating Google built-in. Both cars also come equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, enhancing safety and convenience for your journeys. Finally, let's talk about price and overall value. The Nissan Leaf S Plus has a starting price of approximately $29,990, making it an accessible electric option. The Chevrolet Bolt EV LT starts at around $28,995, offering competitive pricing. Both vehicles may also qualify for various federal or local incentives, further reducing the cost of ownership. Remember to check the description for a link to those handy meal prep containers and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.